Git tutorial. Are you a developer looking to improve your workflow? Have you always wanted to learn source control? Are you looking to make your development workflow safer? Well, you have come to the right course. Git is the industry standard software for source control. With Git, you can save snapshots of your work as you go along in a timeline. Git allows you to create backups that take minimum space, making your workspace safer. If you mess up, ruin your code, or damage your files, Git will be there to help. In this course, we cover multiple aspects of Git, including, but not limited to, 1. Git theory and workflow, 2. Repositories and what they are, 3. Basic Git commands, 4. Advanced Git commands. Who this Git tutorial course is for: 1. Anyone looking to learn how to use Git, 2. Anyone looking to learn source version control.